This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER cartoon favorites Fangface. Fangface, Paxi, Biff and Kim are going trout fishing. To save time, Paxi takes a shortcut through the swamp. Searching for a way out, our gang stumbles on a creepy-looking mansion. Inside, they find themselves prisoners of a crazy scientist who has discovered a way to harness electricity. He has the uncanny ability to change it into an energy creature. Will Fangs and the gang be able to stop the fiendish villain? New adventures of the modern werewolf, now in 3D. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. Meet Fangface and the electric creature. Picture 2. Paxi takes a shortcut. Picture 3. The gang stumbles on a haunted house. Picture 4. Dr. Cyclone welcomes them to his home. Picture 5. Paxi and Fangs try to sleep. Picture 6. The full moon changes Fangs into Fangface. Picture 7. The creature blocks escape route. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. Fangface locks the monster in. Picture 2. The glowing Hulk smashes the brick wall. Picture 3. The creature responds to a radio message. Picture 4. The foursome are prisoners in a well. Picture 5. Fangface hits his head. Picture 6. And he triggers a secret door. Picture 7. Our gang listens to Cyclone's plan. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. Igor and the doctor aim the ray gun. Picture 2. Fangface turns into Fangs. Picture 3. Cyclone scores a hit on Kamusu's jet. Picture 4. The creature forces the plane to land. Picture 5. Our heroes tell Kamusu not to worry. Picture 6. The monster comes to a shocking end. Picture 7. Kamusus fly away. Villains go to jail.